So in the first example, see, investigate the stability of a negative feedback control system whose open loop transfer function is given by g of s into h of s equal to 50 whole divided by s into 0.5 s plus 1 into 0.05 s plus 1 and plot the Bode plot. See here, in the solution, what is the first step to plot a Bode plot here? The main procedure is write it in a standard form and replace this with a s value, that is replace s value with a j omega. So this is already in a standard form, so we need to replace this s in a j omega. So see here, g of sj omega into s of sj omega, that is g into h of j omega equal to 50. The numerator part is constant, so we have written as it is 50 whole divided by s we replaced by j omega, that is j omega into 0.5 j omega plus 1, 0.5 s plus 1 here. So we replace this s into j omega, 0.5 j omega plus 1 into 0.05 j omega plus 1. So the first step is replacing a s equal to j omega in the given transfer function, and next is we need to identify the corner frequency. So how to identify here? See here, there is in type 1 system. Why? Because it is in a pole form. The pole, it should be in a origin here. If it is, they have given a omega. If it is omega square, means it is type 2 system. If they have given in a omega, j omega value, means it is a type 1 system. So the poles should be in a origin. So we need to take a 50 by j omega as a y of j omega. See here, we have given a name as y of j omega equal to this 50 by j omega. We have taken a 50 by j omega equal to y of j omega. So we need to magnitude that. Magnitude of y of j omega equal to 50 whole divided by magnitude of omega j omega square, means omega and root get cancel. So 50 by omega will get here. So 50 by omega, which is 20 log of magnitude of y of j omega. We have already discussed this in a procedure of Bode plot, that is 20 log of magnitude value, that is 20 log of 50 minus 20 log of omega. So what is the value of 20 log of 50 here? So 20 log of 50 minus 20 log of, see here, in Bode plot we should have to take a value as omega equal to 0.1, because in semi-log sheet the first point should be in a 0.1 value. So for a Bode plot, omega at 0.1, by putting a 0.1 value, the starting value in a semi-log sheet, that's what I told here. So omega equal to 0.1, the starting value of omega in semi-log sheet. So see here, this we need to equate with the 20 log of y of j omega equal to 20 log of 50 minus 20 log of omega. 20 log of 50 minus 20 log of omega, we have taken 0.1 here. So the answer should be 20 log of magnitude of y of j omega equal to 54 dB. After this substitution, we got a value as 54 dB. So after simplifying the value, we need to identify the magnitude value. So by each factor. So what are the factors here? In the given system, the factors are 50 by j omega and 1 by 0.5 j omega plus 1 and 1 by 0.05 j omega plus 1. These are the factors to find out the magnitude value here. See, we have a tabular column for finding the magnitude plot. This is in factor part, that is 50 by j omega first factor, 1 by 1 plus 0.5 j omega second factor, and 1 by 1 plus 0.05 j omega. This is the third factor. See, what we need to find out a corner frequency here. So what is the corner frequency formula? 1 plus j omega by omega c. Omega for first factor, that is omega c1. So here the corner frequency is not applicable. Why? Because it is in a numerator part. It is in a y of j omega part. We already find out that in a semi-log sheet, that is we have already find out 20 log of y of j omega. We have taken this 50 by j omega. This is not applicable. Why? Because this is in a zero constant value. So see here, next is the slope in dB per decade, and we need to change that slope in a dB per decade. So magnitude of m is 54 dB. We already found out by 50 by j omega, that is 20 log of 50 minus 20 log of 0.1 value. So we got a value as 54 dB at omega equal to 0.1 in a semi-log sheet. So what is the slope value here? The initial slope value if here for minus 20 dB per decade. Why? Because the coefficient of log omega is minus 20 dB per decade. So this is come from a 0.1 value, that is up to omega 1 value, 0.1 to omega 1 value. So this is a slope in dB per decade. Similarly, the second factor, that is 1 by 1 plus 0.5 j omega. So what is the corner frequency here? See, if we substitute the corner frequency formula 1 by 1 plus 0.5 j omega, it means 1 plus j omega by omega c1. So what is the value here? 1 by 0.5. What is 1 by 0.5? See, 1 by 0.5 is 2. So we got a value as omega c1 is 2. Similarly, we need to find out the change in a slope value, that is 1 plus 0.5 j omega whole inverse, that is slope equal to omega value is what? 0.1, which is greater than of omega 1. So plus previous slope, we need to calculate, add the previous slope here, that is the intersection of Bode plot with dB axis, which means initial slope plus 20 log of omega value, that is initial slope is we found out minus dB plus of minus dB, minus 20 dB. So here how much we got? Minus 20 is minus 40 dB per decade. Similarly, the next factor 1 by 1 plus 0.05 j omega whole inverse. So the magnitude is 1 plus 0.05 j omega whole inverse. Then the slope, it should be initial, the previous value, that is minus 40 plus minus 20. So minus 20 minus 40. How much we got here? Minus 60 dB per decade. Similarly for corner frequency. Corner frequency is nothing but 1 by 1 plus j omega by omega c2. So j omega by omega c2 means 1 by 0.05. So 1 by 0.05 means 20. So we find out the value as omega c1, omega c2. So similarly for a reference section of input is minus 20 dB per decade, the first factor slope, minus 40 dB per decade, the second factor slope, and minus 60 dB per decade, the third factor slope. So see here, the Bode plot is nothing but a combination of magnitude plot and phase plot. So here I have taken an only magnitude plot. See, for your reference I am telling here, this is a magnitude plot, that is GH of j omega dB per decade. The horizontal line should be in radian per second. So this is a magnitude plot. These are the reference input, reference plot. See here, for the first for the first factor of the slope here we got minus 20 dB, and the second factor is minus 40, third factor is minus 60 dB per decade. So similarly we need to find out the phase angle. So how to find out phase angle here? See, in a given system we have a transfer function. For this transfer function we need to find out the angle. So how to find out here? If it is x plus y whole square means tan inverse of y by x, that is tan inverse of 0.5 by 1, that's why we taken 0.5 omega. So if it is tan inverse of 50 by j omega, we have taken tan inverse of 0.5 omega minus tan inverse of 0.05 omega. So this is a given phase angle. So with this we order to find out the angle by using a omega value. By taking a given expression, we order to find out the omega value. So for first omega, that is radian per second, we need to substitute here the omega value, the different omega values here. So if it is for 2, we got a minus 40 degree, minus 140 degree. How? See, minus 90 degree minus tan inverse of 0.5 into 2 minus tan inverse of 0.05 into 2. So we got a minus 40. Similarly, we have to find out for omega equal to 2, omega equal to 3 until omega equal to 20. Till for 20, we got minus 210, minus 219. So this is for a phase angle. So for phase angle, here the main hint for phase angle, we need to take a value from minus 180 degree. If it is for magnitude plot, we need to take a angle as 0 degree. If it is for phase angle, we need to take a value as minus 180 degree. This is a combination of magnitude and phase plot. That is called a Bode plot here. This is a combination of magnitude plot and phase plot. So see here. So for Bode plot, we need to plot this in a semi-log sheet. So this is a semi-log sheet. So in semi-log sheet, see this, the vertical line which have taken in a magnitude part, that is dB, and horizontal line taken in a radian per second, omega value, that is angular frequency. For this, see here, if it is magnitude means 0, from 0 degree we have taken 0, 20, 40, 60. So this is an omega value. 1 to, here see, they have given a omega value 0.1, at 0.1 to 1, 10, 100, 1000. So this is in a radian per second. So see here, until here, this is magnitude plot. From the next value, see, minus 180 degree. This is a phase plot. See, these, the minus 20, minus 40, minus 60, these are the reference slope at a given point. If it is not possible to plot the magnitude plot, then it should be in a, because of logarithmic frequency value, that is log 0 equal to minus infinity. So the minimum value of omega on the log scale is normally taken as a 0.1. See here, the minimum value of log scale we consider as a 0.1 value. So the construction line of slope, that is minus 20, minus 40 and minus dB per decade. Minus 20 dB per decade, minus 40 dB per decade, minus 60 dB per decade. So these are the reference lines of a slope. So which we need to plot it in a given semi-log sheet. After that, what is the value we have taken here? See, the first magnitude is 54 dB. 54 dB at omega equal to 0.1 value. So see here, 54 dB where it comes, below the 60 dB, near to the 60 dB value, we taken a 54 dB. From 54 dB till where it should go, see here, from 54 dB from 0.1 to 2 value. So from 0.1 to 2, why it is 2? Why? Because the corner frequency is 2. Omega C1 we got a 2. So from 0.1 to 2 we got a minus 20 dB per decade. This is the first factor. After that, from 2 to 20. Why it is 20? We got a omega C2, that is corner frequency as 20. So from 2 to 20 we got a value as second term, that is minus 40 dB per decade. Similarly from 20 to infinite value, that is 60 dB per decade, minus 60 dB per decade. So the magnitude plot which we have taken, these three are reference inputs, and this is a minus 20 dB per decade from 54 dB per decade to 2. From 2 to 20 is minus 40 dB per decade. From 20 to infinity value is minus 60 dB per decade. This is a magnitude plot. Similarly, we have to plot the value as phase angle. So for phase angle, we we find out the values as for omega, to substitute a omega value as 2, 3, 4, 5 and till 20 we got a value as phase angle, that is minus 142 minus 219. So which we have taken here from this is an origin value, that is minus 180 degree for a phase angle. So we have plot the phase angle given by the given values. After this, so we need to plot a gain margin and a phase margin. The gain margin, how you are taken is, see here, if this line means magnitude line is which is intersect with the zeroth origin. If it is intersect with the zeroth origin, we have taken a gain margin value. See, this is intersecting with the zeroth origin here. So this we have taken omega g, that is gain crossover frequency. Similarly, this 180 degree, for 180 degree the phase angle which is intersect, that we have taken an omega p, that is phase angle frequency. So that we call it as A, B and C. This magnitude plot intersect with the 0 dB and phase angle intersect with the minus 180 dB. So here what is the value if we are intersecting with the gain margin means, see here, if it is intersecting for 8 till 8 it is intersecting, from 0 to 20 it is intersecting with from 8. So we have taken a minus, that should be in negative value, right? So this we have taken in a 8 dB. Similarly, phase angle, what is the phase angle formula here? 180 plus 5. So omega p we have taken as 5 value. So this 5 value we need to add with the 180 degree. So this they have given in a negative value. So minus 180 plus 5, that is we got a minus 15.25 value. So this you should written in a semi-log sheet. This is nothing but a semi-log sheet. The Bode plot, it should be in a combination of magnitude plot and phase angle.